Thank you for considering liquid porcelain for your bathtub project. In this video, I'll explain a little about the process and our company. We're a family-owned company that has been in the business for 14 years. We can resurface porcelain, acrylic, fiberglass, cast iron, cultured marble, and ceramic. Refinishing is the perfect solution. Don't replace it, refinish it. Save your money with our no dust, no mess, no demolition solution for your bathtub, sink, and tiles. Our coating is unlike any in the industry. It has low odor and properties that make it resistant to bleach unlike other companies, and bath mats can be used if removed after use. Liquid porcelain is the only company offering it in Michigan and Florida. Here's our 9-step system to prepare your bathtub. Step 1. We clean and sanitize your tub. Step 2. We tack cloth and smooth out the tub. Step 3. Then we acid etch to remove the old finish. Step 4. We sand out the imperfections. Step 5. We apply a chemical primer and a ceramic bonding agent. Step 6. We spray primer coats on as necessary and allow them to dry. Step 7. We mix a top coat and prepare the tub for it. Step 8. We spray the tub with the top coat, leaving it with a finish that looks new. Step 9. Finally, let it dry for 24 hours before you use it. Liquid porcelain has an A rating with the triple B and 4.7 out of 5 stars on Google. We've also helped many homeowners rejuvenate their bathrooms without them having to pay a fortune for it, and we'd love to add you to our long list of 15,000 satisfied customers.